Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Braintree tokenization for mobile, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Braintree tokenization for mobile, first, ensure that your mobile development environment is set up. Download and integrate the Braintree SDK into your mobile application. Create a Braintree account if you haven't done so already. Log into your Braintree dashboard and navigate to the API keys section. Generate and copy your public key, private key, and merchant ID. In your mobile app, implement the Braintree SDK by adding it to your project dependencies. Initialize the SDK using your public key in your application code. Next, create a client token on your server-side environment. Make a call to Braintree's API to generate the client token. Send this client token to your mobile application. Inside your mobile app, use the client token to initialize the Braintree drop-in UI or the custom payment flow. Allow users to enter their payment information through the Braintree interface. Once the user submits their payment details, the SDK will handle the tokenization process. Capture the payment method nonce provided by Braintree after tokenization completes. Send this nonce to your server for processing the transaction. On your server, use the Braintree SDK to create a sale with the nonce received. Ensure that you handle any errors and provide appropriate responses back to the mobile app. Test the entire flow in a sandbox environment before going live. Once everything works as expected, you can switch to a production environment. Congratulations, your mobile app is now ready for secure payments using Braintree tokenization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.